Hey guys, welcome to Groom with Charlie, and today is the supplement day, or we are going to talk about a supplement. And today's topic is glutamine. So glutamine is a very special topic as it actually helped me when I was down with my kidney infection. And it gives me immense pleasure to talk about glutamine in front of everybody, because I know after this video there will be many individuals who will be thanking me. Not just people who work out, but people who have a sedentary lifestyle, or people who go to the office, who have a normal lifestyle without going to the gym, who are athletes or who are not athletes, regardless of your physical activity and the levels of the same. You all can take glutamine, and it has immense health benefits, which I will be telling you now. So this video will be segregated in 3 or 4 sections. Like, first I will be telling you what are the benefits of glutamine, like personally, which I have experienced on my own. Second, I will be telling you what would be the dosage. Third, I will be telling you about the side effects, if any. And fourth, I will be telling you about the natural resources from which you can take glutamine, lest you can't afford or you don't want to take a supplement of that sort. So let's start with the benefits. See, I won't be going into the chemical composition and how, like, the nooks and crannies. Like, glutamine comprises of around 61% of our skeletal muscles. You can find them over the internet, and I will still list 2 or 3 important and very informative articles right at the description. You can see them for yourself. So what glutamine does? Glutamine is a form of an amino acid which is actually present in our body, and we can actually have it from other sources also. For a variety of reasons we should be having, because when we work out, like our muscles, like glutamine forms 61% of our skeletal muscles. So when we are working out, what glutamine does, so when we are working out, our body gets depleted of glutamine, and glutamine, what it does, it has a lot of benefits. Like, it helps keep the growth hormone, like human growth hormone, in proper quantities, and it helps with our recovery. So when we work out, we get those DOMs, we get muscle soreness, because our glutamine is getting depleted of our body. So if we supplement it externally, what it does, it actually helps our body to recover from a strenuous workout, and it also replenishes the cells which are deprived of the glutamine, which we have already used up when while we were working out. Apart from that, it helps in cell volumization just like creatine, but the effects are not as far-fetched as creatine. It also helps you retain water, and it also helps you to grow. Moreover, a small dosage of creatine can actually help improve the human growth hormone levels in your body, and can actually make you sleep better and recover well after a workout. So if you do a heavy workout and if you supplement with glutamine, you will recover quick and you will get a good sleep, and overall your skeletal muscles will be fed as they were exhausted or extinguished after the workout. So this comes when a person who are working out or have an athletic lifestyle. People like many of us around who don't work out, who have a normal sedentary lifestyle, can also take glutamine, as it helps us with 3 things. First, it helps us to improve the immunity. Like, you won't be catching cold, or there won't be infections troubling you easily if you supplement with at least a small dosage of glutamine. Second is that it's great for the gut, be it infection, be it constipation, leaky gut, all these kind of things. If you have glutamine for a small dosage every day, all the stomach related issues are taken care of. And number 3, the third point is that it can also help you cure ulcers. Like, if you stay without food deprived for a long time, your stomach tends to emit those juices which actually turn into ulcers. So if you supplement with glutamine, you can easily treat ulcers without going to a doctor. And the most important thing is that glutamine, many YouTubers I have seen, they think glutamine is a useless supplement, which it isn't, because they're actually not well accustomed with the far-fetched benefits of glutamine. Like, they think the glutamine will be giving results in 2 months or 3 months. Glutamine doesn't give visible results within 2 to 3 months. If you really want to see how glutamine works, you need to take it for a prolonged period of time. Like, I would suggest around 6 months to 1 year of a time frame for a normal healthy individual. And trust me, anybody can take glutamine without any side effects. So next I will come to the dosage. For a person who is not working out, 5 grams of glutamine upon waking up in the morning first thing is very important. You can have it and it will have great benefits. Actually, what it does, you will have muscle loss when you sleep at night, like thing of catabolism. because we don't eat anything when we, late at night. Suppose we sleep at 10, 10:30 or 11. We don't eat anything for 8 to 10 hours. So when we wake up, our body is in a catabolic state, which is a muscle breakdown stage. So if we take glutamine, it gets absorbed and our body is replenished of all the wear and tear which happened before night. So this is for an individual who is not working out. He can even take one 5-gram scoop extra in the night, so that it helps with immunity and it helps you sleep better. Moreover, the human growth hormone HGH is at its peak at night when you are sleeping. So supplementing with glutamine, sometimes additionally with milk, is a very good thing. And people who work out can take the same amounts of glutamine, like 5 grams in the morning, 5 grams before going to bed, and they can take extra 5 grams or 2 grams or 3 grams depending upon their requirement after the workout, just after the workout, with their protein shake. If they don't take protein shake, they can take it as it is, as its most glutamine forms are tasteless. There are many companies which offer glutamine, like the Indian companies Muscle Blaze, and for international brands like Optimum Nutrition, Universal, you can pick any, because glutamine, you don't need to look for labels or something. It's the cheapest and it's actually one of the safest supplements to fall back upon. Now comes side effects. There are no side effects of glutamine unless you take 20 to 30 grams every day. In that case, you will have a runny stomach. Your stomach irritability is visible if you take very high dosage, which I won't recommend and nobody takes. Lastly, if you are not looking to purchase glutamine from outside sources, you can take it from meat and poultry, but those substances do have extra added purine in it. So I would tell you to avoid non-vegetarian sources and take spinach, kale, kidney beans, all these kind of sources, the vegetables, for proper natural sources of glutamine. So glutamine is a supplement which has helped me combat my infections, because my kidney disease was more of an autoimmune response, mostly like people suffering from cancer have. What they do, their body falls, like their body deteriorates whenever they come in contact with any infection. So and that is due to the lack of immunity. So taking glutamine, supplementing every day with glutamine for at least 6 to 8 months has helped me personally, as my immunity level has come from here to there. So this is where glutamine has helped me, and I'm sure there are many people who would benefit from glutamine, as it will help you skyrocket your immunity. So trust me on this when I say glutamine is a great thing to boost your immunity, and you should include it as a regular part of your daily diet, regardless of your sex, like your male, female, anybody can take glutamine, as it has nothing to do depending upon your physical formation. So, and one more thing, even if you're not working out, sedentary lifestyle, if you work out at home, it doesn't matter. You can take glutamine anywhere, anytime, anyway. So this is my take on glutamine. Tomorrow I will be coming with a supplement review, a special supplement which is actually very special to me and which has helped me a lot through when I was ill, and I will be discussing it with you. And moreover, glutamine helps a lot with your kidney stuffs and keeping the nitrogen balance of your body in check. When protein breaks down, you release a lot of ammonia, and your urea creatinine ratio, your kidneys get affected. Glutamine helps you prevent that by actually keeping a proper nitrogen balance inside your body. So I can just go on and on about the benefits of glutamine, but I would be urging you to see the links which I have posted in description, so that you get a better idea of what glutamine is and what are the benefits and other options associated with it. So if you like the content, give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe this video and to my channel. Till then friends, till tomorrow, stay healthy.